to the right here, I've put something called memory, which I think is, so this to me is an area that I think is massively vulnerable to a certain extent, because this is where you start to store personal data. Um, and, the LLM is going to choose which parts of the memory now it does it. Some memory is done by vector stores. So instead of it being a full prompt and the context, they will say, here's an entity memory store. So part of the LLM will analyze what entities you've been discussing. It could be my house, the name of my cat, the name of my kids, or something like that. And so they will be stored as memories in there. So it says entity, children, their name, and then that will be stored. Maybe it's a dictionary, maybe it's a vector store or something like that. And reference later. So if I come back to the conversation, and I do believe, based on a video I've seen this week, OpenAI are about to release something very similar to that, where it will understand your projects that you're doing. It'll understand what goals you want across all of your chats. So to me, that means there's a separate memory store that will be inserted into the context. And it's as simple as that. The LLM isn't going to know, except for this AI system inserting it. And that's, for me, I think, where it's really important to differentiate between an AI system and an AI model, because an AI model has no knowledge beyond what's put in.
Well, the AI model in here, what you're saying is just the LLM part. It's almost like a foundation model.
Yeah, exactly. And then the additional things, vector stores, tools, memory, are things that add information to the context.